Levanta's F560 Special Y Tyre changer, Italian designed and built, and able to handle a wide range of heavy vehicle, earth-moving and tractor tyres. The self-centering jaws can be rotated in either direction and are capable of handling rims from 14-inch all the way up to 56-inch. The suspended swivelling control console allows the operator to safely operate the machine from a distance, featuring a fully adjustable, automated telescopic bead breaker. This enables the operator to handle those extra large tyres that other machines can't. Catering for tyres with an overall diameter of up to 2.5 metres, width of 1.2 metres and a massive 1.7 tonnes in weight. A 2-speed gearbox and fully adjusted automated bead breaker provides the operator with an extra level of control, allowing for precise movements when mounting and dismounting tyres.